How do you even order a secret menu item?
You go up to the desk counter thing.
My
and
guy's
you're like,
Rob. He's 17.
Rob, fine. I'm here for the secret menu.
Today on Taste Test, we are trying items from the Taco Bell secret menu. Rachel, I would ask you if you're a Taco Bell fan, but I already know that you are.
You already know the answer to that, and the answer is yes, I'm a very big Taco Bell fan.
Me too.
It's like honestly the only fast food, if I really think about it, that I would be like, if I didn't have it for the rest of my life, I'd be very upset.
Taco Bell is a support system. It is a comfort.
Well, that's for sure.
It is a late night guarantee.
What are your favorite things at Taco Bell?
So I like to get a Mexican pizza. I like a crunchy taco. What are your favorites?
Well, Crunchwrap Supreme.
The Crunchwrap Supreme is like the breakup food of like, I got you, girl. It's gonna be okay.
Well, the Crunchwrap Supreme is no secret, though.
No,
what
I'm
I'm excited about
no,
is like, what is a secret? I've never ordered something that's not on
I
the menu.
feel like the secret menu items that we're gonna learn about today are going to take my already committed relationship to Taco Bell to engagement status.
Wow.
But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the little bell to get notified every time we upload a new video.
Okay, can we announce it like it's the commercial? The Incredible Hulk is the 5-layer burrito with guacamole instead of nacho cheese. No good? Before we bite into it, I'm curious whether you're like missing that nacho cheese.
I love
feeling.
cheese.
Me too, I'm kind of feeling like both would be okay.
This is like a huge debate. I feel like you're either a guacamole person or you're like a queso person. And I love cheese, but I'd pick guac over cheese, I think, any day.
I'm a queso person, and I would also pick salsa over guac as well.
That's great.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't mind some cheese also.
I really like it. I think that the guac makes it like a fresher bite.
I actually don't like the guacamole.
No, I could get behind this.
I like it. The guac is front and center, which it doesn't often get a chance to be.
What?
Funky.
Is this Doritos?
What is that? Is that a hamburger? Like, what is it?
Is that a fry in there?
Wait, there's definitely something in here.
Potato?
Oh.
Those are definitely potatoes. This looks good, man. It's called the Superman.
So you ask for a double beef burrito,
Loaded with sour cream, guacamole.
tortilla strips, and potatoes.
They are potatoes.
So they are. You were right. Your nose was right on
Check
that one.
that out.
That's good. I see why this is secret. Like, this feels super different and unique.
This is like, we had some leftovers. We had some leftover potato. We had some leftover tortilla chips. It's just like adding like chips to like a sandwich.
But I think this one is my favorite.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm into it.
Taco Bell's infamous lava sauce was recently discontinued.
But did you know that you can make your own?
Mix a side of nacho cheese with two to 3 packs of fire sauce.
Not 4, don't get greedy. And make your own and add this spicy goodness to anything that your heart desires.
I just feel like this is a lot of cheese and like the spiciness is really gonna mellow out,
Yeah,
you know?
shoot, should I do 3 too?
Yeah.
I put on.
I feel like I put on more than you.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Ready?
All right, ready?
Go.
Oh, I like that.
Definitely fun.
Definitely not very spicy.
I'm waiting for it to hurt my mouth.
So am I.
It said don't do 4.
It's at 2 to 3, but I think that's crap. Because I am a baby when it comes to spice.
Me too, and that was fine.
And if that was fine, then let's use all 4 packets and let's see where this ship sails. I don't know.
This definitely adds something than just the normal nacho cheese. Like, it's a little added kick.
I'm not sure how spicy the lava sauce was that it warranted a discontinuation from the Taco Bell executives. But if it was like this, it wasn't killing any lives.
There's a little something going on though.
I think that my favorite was probably the Superman.
Me
Was that
too.
yours as well? Yeah.
It was really good. I really liked the Superman. I thought it was really good.
I did too. I loved the Superman. I loved the potatoes in the Superman. I just think it's nice when you have a potato in a burrito.
Yeah.
Because you're
It,
not
like,
gonna
adds
get
a little
that.
breakfast twist.
You're not gonna get that anywhere else but Taco Bell.
I can't wait for my next 3 a.m. rendezvous at my local Taco Bell drive-thru.
Let us know what your Taco Bell order is down in the comments, and we'll see you next time on Taste Test. Bye.
Bye.